We'll guide you through how to make hair black in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and all available adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, click the Masking tool to create a targeted adjustment for a specific area of the image. From the masking options, select Brush so you can manually paint over the area you want to edit. Carefully brush over the hair area until the entire section you want to darken has been covered by the mask. Adjust the brush size and feather if necessary to achieve a clean and accurate selection around the edges of the hair. After creating the mask, reduce the exposure slightly to make the hair appear darker while maintaining a natural appearance. Next, reduce the highlights to remove excess brightness from the lighter strands of hair. Continue by reducing the whites to further decrease the brightest tones and create a richer overall hair color. After adjusting the saturation, modify the black slider to deepen the darkest tones and make the hair appear naturally darker without affecting nearby areas. Once the lighting and color adjustments have been completed, refine the mask around the hair by adding or removing masked areas where necessary. Carefully review the mask edges to ensure the adjustments are applied only to the hair and blend smoothly with the rest of the image. After refining the mask, review the overall result and compare the edited version with the original photo to check the improvement. If needed, make additional adjustments to the exposure, highlights, whites, saturation, blacks, or mask until you achieve the desired appearance.